your safety. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Howdy folks, please put away all selfie sticks at this time. All selfie sticks are not allowed. Please put them away at this time.
Who's got a selfie stick? I don't have a selfie stick.
Howdy folks, again, please put away all selfie sticks immediately.
Oh, me too. They didn't say anything when we left the station. You gonna flip the glasses this time? Yeah.
Yeah, I've done Big Thunder hundreds of times here and Disney glasses.
Yeah, I've never gotten anything like that.
Bring selfie sticks in the park. They
Yeah.
do the checkpoint on the way in. This isn't even a selfie stick.
This is part of the camera.